scratch. All right, I'll just show my amazingly delicious junk. 2 tails. Right. Stupidity has finally gone too far. Rotten running. What kind of nincompoops are? Faster!
The intergalactic hunt.
Turtle soup. Weasley is a cocksucker fuckface.
Does this mean I'm not gonna be a
Paperweight! Explode.
Dr. Robotnik?
Scratch.
Made you something
Special.
Breakfast.
Now would ya?
Ew, look at those eyes. He's definitely
Fucking brain dead. But the bombs. Have you finished the stupidity cannon yet?
Oh.
Not yet?
Nope.
I do. Sterling.
Pull yourself together, nincompoop.
If you don't. I'm a Robotnik. Out there and full. Robotnik's rituals. The Blammo Freeze captured Sonic for help.
Get off my ass and stuff for rubber.
Of course. Strange. Smells like my dumb bimbo X. Allah! Whiz. I think I'll have Scrounder do me in the ass.
Coming! Sick!
Beep.
Abandoned space station.
What? Shit.
I'm gonna get even with...
Car! Blow me up like a balloon. Start! Time. I said car.
You already said that. I don't remember saying car. You already said shut up.
You need to get the fuck out!
Butt fuckers! Mine. Mom!
vacation.
Yoy! My dick is erect. Yay! I'm gonna blow my... If you don't want trees for your birthday,
I'm gonna turn you into a
nice toaster.
hold it
Hey, how's it going? I'm Jeff.